Non-metallic metal for the first time ever on a competition piece. What could go wrong? Right. So this week we haven't had much time at all. Last week's video was late. This week's video is a little bit late. Trying to squeeze things in a bit quicker. So, a little short one this week. Just showing the progress of what I've done on the mini for the competition. So, better late than ever, let's go. Alright, so what we're starting with is the leather trousers. And I've had a bit of success with leather, not leather, dark materials before, so I'm just trying to replicate what I've done there, basically starting with a blue as a base coat of highlight, because black isn't really black, it's more blue. And then picking out my highlights with a bright white, just to show where I'm going to highlight to. Then I'm working that all around the model, just to give myself a guide of where I want the highest the highlights go. And what we're doing then is glaze that back with some black, just to knock it back a bit, because like I said, I'm not a professional. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to do things that make some sort of sense at the end. So what we're going to do then is start to mix a bit of grey and feather that highlight out with a little bit of the blue to help transition from black to bright white. And I'm concentrating on the bumper here because that's the largest part you're going to see. And again, we're just working on building up layers, going from dark to light, back to dark. Just keep feathering it in and out. And with the trousers sort of somewhere, I thought I needed to work on that skin a bit more. So I'm just taking it up a bit higher on the back. Again, I'm just trying to take it to the highest point so that I can work then between the two, the dark and the light, feather it back in and out. And then we started doing the chainmail, so I'm going for NMM by here, non-metallic metal. Starting with a base of grey, just catching the raised surfaces of the chainmail, leaving the recesses black. And there's a better video here. I do apologise for the choppiness, my camera's playing up for some reason. So like you see, all I'm doing by here is just shading the grey to pick out the colours. And what we're going to do next then is just add a bit of white into that mixture, to make a highlight colour, and then we're just going to pick out the top edges of each ring of the chainmail, just to give the illusion that the light is catching on the top surfaces. And bear in mind, I've never done this before, so I think it looks okay, but we'll see. And then to finish off, we're going to just pick out the tops with a much lighter white. Which is actually happening by here, and that just gives the ever so faint illusion that the light is right at the glint of light on the top edges. And then I had time to start base coating the bone. I've just managed to get the first layer on for you, and that's pretty much where we got to this week. So we've got about 25 days left, and there we go. So yeah, I'm not happy where it is at the moment. It needs a lot more time on it, but we'll get there. We will. Here's the reveal. And as ever, always, diolch, da boch, and nos da.